A gun show at Parkview Fieldhouse next week has been canceled, leaving organizers devastated.
We're told the Fieldhouse is trying to avoid negative publicity. News Channel 15's Kaitor Pessoa is in Studio 15 with more. Kaitor.
Gunslinger Promotions spent yesterday calling vendors telling them the show is off, but they say the venue broke their contract and they're going to sue. One of Fort Wayne's biggest ongoing gun shows, a multi-day extravaganza with hundreds of tables, is being canned. The Sport One Parkview Fieldhouse will no longer host the Fort Wayne Gun, Knife, and Outdoorsman Show. According to the owners of Gunslinger Promotions, who organizes the event, the Fieldhouse wants to avoid negative publicity, protesters, and vandalism. Vendors are angry at the sudden cancellation. There was a show planned for next weekend.
I can't believe that they, I want to say, caved to the anti-gun movement that's going on. I totally agree with, that something needs to be done, but it's not going to happen by taking away guns or banning guns.
I think, if there's going to be protesters outside, then there's protesters outside. You're not going to get away from that, but I don't think they should stop gun shows just because of that.
One vendor, Darkside Armory, bought $20,000 worth of products for next weekend's show. They'll lose upwards of $5,000 because of this cancellation.
I mean, it's their right as a business to do whatever they want, so I don't think they should have violated a contract. They're worried about something that has yet to happen, and I think all they're doing is using that as an excuse to cancel it because politically their agenda doesn't match the Second Amendment.
Gunslinger's owners say they had a 9-year contract with RCI Development to hold gun shows at the Fieldhouse. RCI has decided to cut ties only a year and a half in. Gunslinger plans to sue both RCI and Parkview Health. They gave the following statement: "We are devastated that we lost this location. We are going to fight. We're not going to roll over." No suit has been filed. RCI says it's not commenting at this time. We also reached out to Parkview Health. Its representatives told us they have the naming rights to the building, but they'll let their legal team know that there is a threat of a lawsuit. In Studio 15, Kaitor Pessoa, News Channel 15.